Good morning, good morning. Man, we see yesterday was a little choppy day. Not a lot of movement of what we accustomed to been seeing. So you guess you can call yesterday a cool off day. Cause when the market opened, there it was really nothing. I did catch a double bottom. Plus, if you watched my last video, caught to push the pre-market high. That was a good trade, solid trade. You could have caught the short off the top too. But today, going into today, we got 575.95, 576.39. 573.68, 574 as our, this is our support zone. This is our resistance zone, and as you can see, it's rejecting it during pre-market. Will it be another sideways day, or will the market make its move today? Will we still just trade up in this range? Or do we come in and break out, push for that 578 like I thought we was going to do yesterday? I don't know, but I don't think there's really any news going on today that will move the market like crazy. You see the VIX is way down, so that means that the volatility in the market is evaporating. So we back to just regular swings like this, like $3 swings. You know, the average true range of SPY is $5 to $3 usually anyways. But the weeks before, those 3 weeks, we were getting $10, $12 moves in a day. Now with that pick back up, we don't know. But this is kind of more of a easier market to trade. I could say that because of the moves are not as extreme. But if you get caught in a position, don't expect that move to come back like it was doing the last 3 weeks, last 4 weeks. You know, you get caught in a position holding it, and the next thing you know, the market's all the way back to your direction, because it's looking like we're trying to push higher for higher levels, because we're holding these levels pretty good and trying to push higher. Now, if we break out of this, if we break out a prior day high again, then you can bet that the market is going to continue to go higher. That's probably what's more than likely going to happen. I think we're going to try to go push for 578. I mean 578, 579. I think we're going to try to push for those levels before you see if this is just going to retest levels, and but you know that like that downtrend that we were in has broken though, because of that move on Friday. And I meant, was that Monday? What's the day? Wednesday? Yeah, Monday. That gap up and held, and it's holding, and it held yesterday too. Not a big sell off, and it's holding during pre-market again. So more than likely, we probably try to push this level and try to go push for 578, 579s. But these are the two levels that I'm trading off on the day. If we can crack, this zone and hold on top, and then come back in and look for that push for the 578. But that's what we'd like to see. Or can't break it, struggling, flush back down, retest, and get short off it. So those are the two trades that we'll be looking for early during this early session, and hopefully we can get one to come into play. Right now it's having trouble trying to push through that zone in pre-market, so maybe it can hold as resistance. So those are the trades that I'll be looking off. I'll be looking for today off of these levels. So good luck to you guys, man.